We're reviewing Peru Brightening or Spot Removing Peel Off Mask, aka Parowu Face Mask. On Amazon, it holds a 2.8-star rating across 9 ratings, which is not impressive. Looking into the user reviews, one says it didn't change any of their dark spots after 2 weeks and complains that a product label is in Chinese, making it difficult to verify ingredients or usage instructions. Another notes that the mask is too sticky and painful to peel off, especially on sensitive skin. Another says, while mildly positive, admits they see brightness but nothing dramatic. Overall, most users express disappointment, the rating is low, reviews highlight weak effects, poor labeling, transparency, and discomfort during use. Given this limited but telling feedback, the product exists and people have purchased and tested it, so it's not a total fabrication, but the user experience is largely negative or underwhelming. There is no strong, credible review backing its claims. For the final verdict, based solely on the Amazon listing and its reviews, the Parowu face mask leans toward being a scam or at least an overhyped product. Its performance is weak, claims likely exaggerated, and transparency is lacking.